Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Dubai Frame. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you are going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started. First thing we want to do is to go ahead and click the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we have to purchase the tickets for. So you can select the date which suits you the best, let's say the 17th right here, and then you can select what kind of ticket you need, let's say one adult ticket for us, and then you can even go ahead and make more of your visit to go ahead and apply the audio guide as well. If you want to include it in your ticket, you can add it right here and then click next to go to the next page from where we can see similar experiences. If you're not interested in them, just click no thanks and click next to go to the personal details page. On this page, you want to go ahead and get started with filling out all your info, such as your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and so on. Make sure to fill it out all correctly, because only once done so, we can continue to the next page to go to the payments. As you can see here, we need to fill out everything. And once done, you can click next and it's going to open up this new menu from where we can go ahead and take a look at all the payment methods that are available to us. So you can go and choose from Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one suits you the most, let's say debit and credit card, and this is going to enable us to fill out our card info. Once you have provided your card info, you can go ahead and click the pay button, which is going to enable us to make the purchase successfully. And once you have purchased the tickets, they are going to arrive on your email address that you have used to register your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go ahead into the description of this video, find the link, open it up, and get started getting your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.